All right, guys, we got our A7 mini computer from GEEKOM. I'm probably saying it wrong. So we're going to open it and see what it's a boot.
Oops, all right.
My sister was going to unbox it. Oh,
it probably just lifts up, huh?
Yeah, it looks like, ooh.
I'm smart.
That's it.
Ooh, wow.
Oh.
Has some good weight to it. It's very, very nice. Let's see if I can.
Oh, cool that. All that good stuff. What else is in it? Oh, there's another layer. A bag.
Oh, let's put this down first. Okay. Oh, and
the pamphlet. Oh no, that's something else.
Thank you for your support.
Yeah, nice.
They send you a little thank you card.
That's nice. Yeah, this company's good. I will definitely work with them more. Definitely.
Dear customer, thank you for your purchase of our product to facilitate your daily life. We hope they serve you well.
All right.
Very nice. All right.
So what else is there?
Let's see. Let's pull this up. Oh my goodness. Come on. Yeah.
Okay, so wires and instructions and everything?
Yep. That's the plug-in.
The plug-in. That's the second part of the plug-in.
Yeah.
The instructions and all that?
Yeah.
GEEKOM. A series.
A series, yeah.
And then the HDMI cord, right? Or no? It's not an HDMI cord.
What is that?
Oh, okay, so we need an HDMI cord to hook this bad boy up. Oh, it is.
Oh, yeah, it sure is.
All right.
Good. That's it.
That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and comment and follow and all that good stuff. We'll be back.